In this video lecture, we will discuss about the transient heat conduction or heat conduction at the unsteady state. In module 1 and module 2, we discussed about the heat transfer at steady state. That means temperature and heat transfer rate is not changing with respect to time. It is only a function of the spatial coordinates. Whereas in this module, we will discuss about the variation of temperature with respect to the time. This type of problems are known as transient heat conduction or unsteady state heat transfer. Now, first we will see the steady state heat transfer. Let a plane bowl, its temperature on the left side is T1 and the temperature on the right side is T2. If there is no internal heat generation, the variation will be a straight line. Variation of the temperature will be a straight line. Now Q dot through the plane wall is given by Q dot equal to delta T divided by R thermal. R thermal for a plane wall, we know it is L by Ka, and delta T equal to T1 minus T2. In steady state heat transfer, this T1 and T2 is not changing with respect to time, and delta T equal to T1 minus T2. At the same time, the temperature is varying along the x direction. That means temperature is a function of x coordinate if the heat flow is one directional. If it is a three-dimensional flow, in steady state heat transfer, temperature is a function of x, y, z coordinates. That is, in steady state heat transfer, the temperature is a function of the spatial coordinates only, and it is not a function of time, not a function of time. Another example is you take the case of heat transfer from a solid surface to a fluid of temperature T infinity. Let the solid surface having a temperature Ts, the surrounding fluid having a temperature of T infinity. In that case also, if it is a steady state heat transfer, then Q dot equal to H into A into Ts minus T infinity. If it is a steady state heat transfer, this Ts and T infinity is not changing with respect to time. So this is the case of steady state heat transfer. In steady state heat transfer, temperature is a function of x, y, z. But in unsteady state heat transfer, unsteady state heat transfer or transient heat conduction, transient heat conduction temperature is a function of x, y, z and time tau. If the temperature is not varying with respect to the spatial coordinates x, y, z, then the temperature is a function of the time tau alone. If the temperature is varying only with respect to the time, then that can be analyzed under a category which is known as